Most people get this wrong. They expect Chime Credit Builder to instantly boost their credit score by a huge amount. But the biggest mistake you need to avoid is thinking there is a fixed number or guaranteed increase. In this video, we are breaking down how much Chime Credit Builder can actually increase your credit score in 2026 and what results are realistic. Let's start with the simple truth. There is no exact credit score increase that Chime guarantees. Your results depend on your starting score, your credit history, and how consistently you use the account. Now here's where it gets interesting. Some users see small increases within a few weeks, while others see bigger changes over a few months. But the key factor is not speed. It is consistency. Let's break it down, step by step. First, how Chime actually impacts your credit. Chime Credit Builder reports your spending and payment activity to major credit bureaus. That means every on-time payment and consistent usage adds positive data to your credit file. For someone like Alex who has a thin credit file or no credit history, even small activity can make a noticeable difference over time. But here's the problem most beginners miss. They think using it once or twice will boost their score. Credit scoring does not work like that. It rewards patterns, not single actions. Now let's talk about realistic score changes. In general, users may see small improvements in the first 30 to 60 days if they are completely new to credit. More noticeable increases often take 3 to 6 months of consistent use. In a minute, I'll explain why some people see faster results than others, and what you can do to maximize your score growth. Second, credit utilization and behavior. Chime helps control utilization because you are spending your own money. That removes the risk of high credit card debt, which can negatively impact your score. For someone like Jake who struggles with overspending on traditional cards, this structure helps keep credit behavior stable and predictable. Third, payment history impact. Payment history is the most important factor in your credit score. Chime reports your activity as on-time behavior, which builds positive history over time. So even small transactions can matter if they are consistent. Now let's be clear about expectations in 2026. Chime is not a fast credit booster. It is a steady credit builder. If you already have strong credit, you may see minimal change. If you are starting from zero, you may see more noticeable improvement over time. So how much does it increase your score? The honest answer is it varies. It can be small or moderate depending on your profile, but the real value is building long-term credit history, not chasing a specific number. Let's summarize everything clearly. Chime Credit Builder does not guarantee a fixed credit score increase in 2026. Instead, it helps you build consistent payment history and credit activity, which can lead to gradual score improvements over time. If this helped you understand how Chime affects your credit score, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for more simple credit breakdowns like this.